Good afternoon, everyone. I want to show us of a way that we can lock our Excel workbook. Imagine your laptop is always open and you don't want others to have access to your Excel file. There's a way you can lock it. How do you do that? Come right here and go to File. From File, come here to Info. Now you have this protect your workbook, inspect workbook, manage workbook, and other varieties. So let's click here, protect your workbook. Now it's giving you options. Always open read only, encrypt with password, protect current sheet. So whatever way you want to protect it, you choose from here. For this, always open read only, meaning for this, whoever open the Excel workbook can only view what is inside. The person cannot have access to edit it. If you want to encrypt with password, meaning if you don't have the password, you can't access the workbook. So let's do this. Encrypt password. Now let me write my password. Click on OK. You enter it again and click on OK. So it's already protected. Now it said a password is required to open this. Okay, so let's just close this. Okay, so we're here. Let's pick up the workbook. Okay, so this is the workbook with locked. So let's open it and see if it's going to open with or without the password. And you can see he's telling us password. So we're going to input the password and click on OK. As you can see it, we have access to the workbook. Also, you can come to review here and you can see protect your workbook here. You can also do this to protect your workbook. Maybe you don't want to lock everything, like this is to protect sheet. You select protect sheet and content of lock cell. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.